Okay guys, Tony Hayes here, and if you've been following my YouTube channel videos over the past few days or on my email list, you will be aware that we have a brand new tool out called Lead Blaster. Now Lead Blaster is something really special. It's responsible for creating Chrome extensions, specifically used like checklists that I've used to basically build email lists of thousands of people. It's even hard to know how many people I've actually brought into my email list because of them, and how much money I have generated from them. For example, I used last month a checklist from a Chrome extension checklist to get people to attend a webinar, and on that webinar we did $13,000 in affiliate commissions. It's just hard to put a number on anything, but this kind of thing is consistent and it's been working that way for me for a long time. Now the good news for you is that it's now for sale. The bad news for me is that I never intended to ever sell it, but hey, we're getting into this situation financially where a lot of people are losing their jobs, and there's fewer sales happening. So as needs must, I've had to put this onto the market. So what we have done is we have made it about 10 times more powerful as we have done that as well. Now this video, I just want to concentrate on just one aspect of what you can do with these Chrome extensions, and this one will appeal to a lot of people on my email list because this is about SEO. Okay, now I did a little test just a few days ago because I noticed that we were ranking for the keyword YouTube SEO. Okay, so you can see here actually got YouTube SEO checklist. Okay, if I just go in here, you can see I'm ranking for the keyword YouTube SEO checklist. Okay, and as you come down, you can see Brian's there, Brian Dean's there, Miles Becker's there, Neil Patel, etc. HubSpot, Search Engine Watch. There's a lot of stiff competition. You can see some of these guys. YouTube SEO checklist is in the title. They're optimizing for it. Not all of them, but some of them are. And it's kind of hard to budge. Okay, so this makes this quite impressive. So I had an idea. What if I did some keyword research just to test this a little bit further? So what I did was I went over to my favorite keyword tool right now. It's called Keyword Keg, and I typed in the keyword YouTube SEO. Okay, now I did put some filters in there. It has to have video on the first page of Google, and it has to have a featured snippet on the first page of Google. Okay, and I come up with these keywords here, and you can see this one, what is YouTube SEO? It's got 2,900 search volume. Don't forget, it's got videos on the first page of Google. It's also got featured snippet on the first page of Google, so we can optimize for that. Okay, so what I did, just quickly, because I was kind of in a hurry, I had some other videos to get done, and I had to do some updates, etc., with my coder on the tool and make some decisions. So I just did something very quickly, and I'll show you exactly what I did. You come down here, you can see I put in just a little bit bigger description in here. Now you can use up to 16,000 characters, I think it is, or 15,000. Right now what I did is I just put in this paragraph, like, what is YouTube SEO? YouTube SEO is a series of actionable steps that you can take to optimize your YouTube videos to rank higher in search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and also within the YouTube platform. Okay, little paragraph. Okay, so when I went to check it this morning, what is YouTube SEO, you can see that we're actually here on page 2. Okay, for what is YouTube SEO. Now that's been like 2 days I put that little paragraph, and it's already there on page 2 now. For me, all I need to do here is send some CTR clicks from the search engine, spend some time on that page. Okay, there's multiple ways we can do that. I can use tools like VidAttack Alpha to do that, or I can get other people to do it. I can pay people to do it, etc., etc. It's not that hard to do. Okay, so it's really easy for me to push that into page 1. So I just wanted to kind of cover the SEO aspect of this. Now this Chrome extension, if I just come back into its home page over here, you can see even though it's got 3-star reviews because it's like 4 years old, it hadn't been updated for nearly 4 years until I updated it the other day. And you can see here I've updated it, and what we have done is we can now, with the API, we can now update everything in the Chrome browser from the Lead Blaster application in real time. So for example, if I go over into my Lead Blaster dashboard over here, you can see the bottom category here is on-site SEO. on-site optimization tactics. You can see there's 2 items in here. Okay, so I'll come over here, and what I'll do is I'll come into the categories here, and you can see as we scroll down, I've got my categories and I've got my bullet points, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom down here, and you can see I've added a new section down here, or a new category down here, and it's called recommended tools. You can see where we can go with this, because we can do some affiliate marketing with this. Okay, so you can see here I put in vid curate alpha. So if I click on to edit that, I can put in something like click on the eye icon to the right for more info. Just fix my typo. I'll just copy that and I'll save that. So you can see this is in real time. I need to refresh the page. Just bear with me, guys. The page has been open for a while. That's all. I can always edit that part out. I hope I remember to. If I forgot to edit that part out, then my apologies. Okay, so let's come back in here. So I'm looking for additional SEO tips. Now I'm looking for recommended tools. Okay, so we can see vid curate alpha, and I'm just going to put in here to edit. And you can see I've already put the link in here, so I'm just going to tell them what to do. Now in the actual Chrome extension, you will see over here, anywhere here, you will see this little eye icon. You can set links to be clicked here. I can even get these changed into some buttons or something like that, so they're more obvious. Come down here to vid attack alpha, same thing. So you can see this happening in real time. Click on save. Come down to lead blaster, and use to create this checklist, and I'll just put in here. Click on the eye icon. Do like that. Save it in real time. Okay, so you can see here that we have saved. We can save everything here, and I'm going to come up to the top here, and I'm just going to save everything in the categories just to be double sure. Okay, and I'll save it one more time. Now what I can do is I can click on the actions, and I can click on publish API update. Okay, you can see that is saved successfully. So now if I click on this, you can now see that we have got recommended tools, and you can see, click on the eye icon to the right for more information. We can click on that, and that will take them over to the sales page for vid curate alpha. Okay, that all happened in real time without having to log into the Chrome Store developer console. Everything is happening within Lead Blaster. Really powerful stuff. So we can do this, and we can change the banner ad at any time. In here we're going to build a banner ad maker, just something very, very simple like this, so that you can see it's got a contrast and you can read, and it's, you know, you can put some headlines in there. This is copying from the Warrior Plus. You'll probably recognize this design. It works really well for them. Why not copy it? So we can build a little banner maker that you can just do this on the fly very, very quickly. So this can be updated in real time. Even the theme here I can change. If I want to go and change the theme here, click on, you can see that it's kind of orangey color. I've got blue color, blue and black. So I can click on apply the theme. Now if I come over here, you can see the theme has changed. Okay, let's do it one more time. Click on apply the theme in the Chrome browser, anywhere in the world. There we go. It updates in real time. Powerful, powerful stuff, guys. Get your hands on this while you can, because the price will be going up. Right now we're offering a special deal for 25 people for lifetime. After that is going to be a yearly license. Okay, and the yearly license is going to be for 10 apps for $197 a month. Right now you can get a lifetime for $497, and all you have to do is go to leadblaster.com/sales-page. Okay, so I'll put the link underneath this video as well. Go and grab it while you can, guys. If you want to wait until the yearly and comes out, we will start to sell that once we have sold the 25 lifetimes, okay, so that there's no confusion, because I will keep the same sales page, and all I have to do is change the buy buttons and the offer within there. But if you want to get your hands on this now, here's the reason why you want to do this. We keep adding things that we're going to build, you know, new features and stuff like that. I've got a whole list of new features, and myself and my coder are very, very, very excited about this tool, because we know what it's done for our business. So we know that we can go and reach a much broader audience outside of the internet marketing niche, where we can target content marketers and bloggers and educators and all kinds of different people. So that for us, you know, we can go a little bit broader than we usually do with our SEO tool. So this is something that we know works really, really, really well, but it will get you rankings. And you can see that, you know, just that very, very small case study there, how that works, okay? And here's what I'll do as well. For anybody who purchases the lifetime license, I will give you a bonus copy of VidAttack Alpha Lite. Okay, now if you've already got VidAttack Alpha, I might be able to give you VidSpy Alpha. Okay, the upgraded version of VidSpy Alpha, where we've got like Wikipedia, and we've got Vimeo and Reddit and Pinterest and Dailymotion that we scrape for broken links. Okay, so VidSpy Alpha, if you've already got VidAttack Alpha. If you haven't got VidAttack Alpha, take VidAttack Alpha, because when you see something like this happening, where you're sitting at the top of page 2, just about 20 to 30 CTR clicks from the search engines to your content, to your Chrome extension, okay, will boost your rankings. That will put you into page 1, and that will drive more traffic. Okay, so how can you use this as well, apart from just checklists? Think about doing like an FAQ review for affiliate promotions. So say, for example, I want to do a promotion for a brand new product that's coming out. It's in a product launch. I can connect with that vendor. I can look at his JV page. I can look at his sales page, and I can pick 10 Q&A sort of questions and answers, that, or problem solution kind of thing, and we can put that into a little list. Okay, now the good thing about the new version is we don't need to have this scorer here. So if you just want to make a list of recommendations, you can do that. But what you can do is you can have an FAQ about a particular tool. So you could have like the product name product name plus review. Okay, so whatever it is, if it's lead blaster review, ad blaster review, video send alpha review, whatever it is, yeah. Basically you can put that in here, and you can get rankings for that. You can probably go and get rankings very quick, and it's something that we will test over the next few days, and we will get some other people to come and test that as well. Okay, so keep an eye out for that and those kind of case studies, but you want to get in early, because after the initial sort of release or initial launch, after we have sold the first 25, then that is going to be a limited time, and then we will go to a broader market at much higher prices. And I can't bring it down once we go higher prices, because once people start to pay a higher price, then it's just plain wrong to start to sell cheaper to other people behind the counter kind of thing. So you want to grab this while you can, guys. Okay, thank you for watching.